Hey everybody and welcome. So I wanted to make a short video talking about how to fix your pure wireless earbuds to perform at their max potential in gaming wise. Because I've been playing Path of Titans, which needs little latency to hear reaction sounds. These don't seem to perform very fast. I have about a 3 to 2 second delay in audio response. That's not good. Now you're thinking, well, duh, they're complete wireless. 2 earbuds versus a single. It's obvious. Incorrect. No. I actually have another wireless headset that is a connection wired headset one. Bluetooth still, obviously. And it has the exact same issue. Why? It's because Samsung has an interesting thing dedicated to syncing audio correctly inside their system. It's kind of interesting, but there's not really a way you can turn it off but still have all these settings active. So, how did I bypass this to get very low latency response working in Path Titans or any other game? It's easy. Inside of your advanced Bluetooth settings, where you go to Bluetooth, you click the triple dot, and you go to advanced settings, use your phone's ringtone when you get calls connected on Bluetooth devices off. This is Ringtone Sync. You're not going to want this. Next, actually, before you do that, the first thing you want to do is go into your Galaxy Buds Live, whatever kind of pure wireless headphones you have connected to your phone, and instead of having calls and audio, disable call. Because a lot of people don't understand what these actually do. Bluetooth actually does not have calls and audio in one. They actually split system. Calls and audios are actually split. Audio isn't stereo sound. Calls, on the other hand, is actually in mono sound quality. Yes, mono. Even if you have 2 headphones on, they're in mono quality headphones. So calls will actually have to revert from stereo into mono and drop that quality system down. So that's why they have 2 different separate systems of call and audio. When you have a device that needs a microphone system, it drops into call system mode. When it doesn't need that, it drops into audio mode. So disabling call mode disables that reversion system and makes it purely stick into stereo sound quality. That's one thing. Another thing, down at the way bottom says audio device type. This will normally be on headphones. You don't want this, because this is the biggest issue also. Headphones makes it like this. Speakers, I don't think it works either, but you want to put this on other. When it's on other, it seems that it fixes this issue with the latency delay, and then after that, you go back into your triple dots thing, go into advanced, and then disable Ringtone Sync. This will basically cut off your current device that's plugged in, synced with your phone or Bluetooth paired with it, and turn it off. All you have to do is just go back and repair your phones and then go play your game, and you have little to no sync anymore with your earbuds. And that's with these or any other Bluetooth headphones on your Galaxy phone. So go kill people now. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.